Looking for the best infrared heaters for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 infrared heaters that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find an infrared heaters that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended infrared heaters. Number 1 on the list is Duraflame DFI-5010-01. This is probably the best all-around option for an infrared heater. Though it may not be perfect for every user, there aren't many who would be disappointed by the features and even the looks of this product. This offers a huge amount of heating ability, with 5,200 BTUs of power to provide heating to up to 1,000 square feet. Though it is designed as supplemental heating, so is best used in conjunction with another form of heater, it can save you a huge amount of money on your other bills. The safety features of this product include an overheat protector, meaning that if for any reason the product overheats, it will automatically shut off. There are a lot of different aspects of this heater you can alter to suit your preference. A digital thermostat lets you control the most important aspect, the heat. Besides this, you can set a timer for the heater to come on when you know you will need it. Other settings revolve around the brilliant, patent-pending design of this heater, which includes faux logs on the bottom to give the homely feel of a fire. It looks impressively real, and gives a lovely ambience to your room. Realistic flames are designed to appear at the back of the fire, and you can even choose your own preference for this, including the color of the flames, how bright they are and the speed at which they dance around the backdrop, for a great balance of good looks, safety features, and a lot of heating power, plus a lot of control over features and even a 3-year warranty. This is a wonderful choice. Second on the list is Dr. Infrared Heater. Dr. Infrared Heater is a great way to get portable heating for your home. It's probably the best infrared heater with wheels, and it uses both quartz and PTC infrared to provide efficient warmth. The safety features are very good, and this model doesn't get very hot to touch. There are no heating elements revealed or exposed on the model, so it isn't a danger to pets or children, even when it is providing a lot of heat in the room. It also has the standard safety functions of switching off as soon as it tips over. Or should it overheat, as lots of these types of heaters do. The Dr. Infrared has 3 modes: high, low and energy-saving mode, which in this case is auto. This mode is just a way for it to move between the other 2 modes in order to maintain the right heat, but using the minimum power. An inbuilt thermostat lets you choose the heat you desire, and the Dr. Infrared is very good at maintaining this temperature. The manufacturers also claim that this has the fastest heat transfer. It has a dual heating system, which means it can quickly get to work heating the whole room. A 3-year warranty and an average of 80,000 hours of use per model make this a good option for the long term. There have been occasional models with electrical issues according to customer reviews, but this is rare and should be covered under your warranty. Number 3 on the list is Lifesmart Lifelux Infrared Heater. This is a heater for large rooms designed as a supplemental model. It offers 8 quartz elements which provide the infrared heat while wrapped up within a coil. As is pretty standard, 3 energy settings give you a choice between high, low and eco. The eco setting has been designed for use in smaller rooms and is very economical, so your bills could even be reduced by using a heater such as this. It has a removable air filter which can be cleaned and then put back into the heater, as well as easy glide casters, meaning you can wheel it around from one space to another. People who are looking for something which isn't an eyesore will love the Lifelux. It has been designed to look like a cabinet, and can fit easily with a wooden furniture design, specifically if you have oak furniture. This can easily be mistaken for a cabinet, so doesn't ruin the decor of your room. The power this has at the highest level of 1500 W is impressive, and the manufacturers claim it can heat rooms up to 1,800 square feet as a supplemental heater. Other features include an ionizing system to give pure air, something not many space heaters are able to offer. It also has a timer which works up to 12 hours. While this has plenty of power and is perfect for many living areas, it is a little more heavy due to its design. Of course, it can be wheeled around, but it isn't easy to carry or transport from place to place unless it can be wheeled there. Number 4 on the list is AirNmore Comfort Deluxe Infrared Space Heater. This is a rugged and well-built heater which is perfect for both home and industrial uses, and can heat up to 1,000 square feet. The features of the AirNmore product are great, but the main benefit is how durable and hard-wearing this is. The manufacturer offers a 2-year warranty on the whole product, with a lifetime warranty on specifically the ceramic heating element of the product. AirNmore claim that this is up to 25% better performing than its competitors. While we don't know exactly if this is true, it is easy to see why such a well-made product is very popular for workshops, basements, or anywhere it can be subjected to a little more wear and tear than average. It has 2 different modes, with the higher level offering 1500 W of power, and the lower offering 1000 W. A quick look at some consumer reviews will show you that the majority of users seem to be very pleased with how much heat this product gives off. It is easy to transport as it is on wheels. 2. While this is not the best looking heater out there if you plan to put it in your living room, it is great for garages, outdoor spaces, and anywhere you don't mind having something that isn't the best looking. What it lacks in looks, it makes up for in power. Number 5 on the list is HeatStorm Phoenix. The HeatStorm Phoenix is a model which can do a good job as a primary heater in a small room or office, but generally is better as a supplemental heater in the majority of rooms. The 5200 BTU of heat is a good amount when you consider the compact size of this heater. It has a 750W mode as well as the full power 1500W mode, so you can conserve energy if needed. The heat transfer technology has been designed to quickly warm the room and not reduce the moisture in the air in the process. It isn't a hazard, as it can be touched with no risk of burning. The LED display shows the temperature in the room, making it easier to alter the temperature to the one you find more comfortable. A remote control means you don't even have to get up to make the adjustments. This is a very small and lightweight heater, and therefore portable. The detachable legs mean you can choose between hanging it on the wall or having it stand somewhere else, in front of your desk, for instance. All of this means the heater can follow you around in your home should you need, and you don't even need to wait for it to cool down before moving it. A 1-year manufacturer warranty is also on offer, so you have peace of mind when making your purchase. A lightweight and high-performing infrared heater. Just now is a list of 5 best infrared heaters that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.